Hi, my name is Jacob Reed and I am representing the Durant FFA chapter in Plant City, Florida. My SAE is Drones in Agriculture and is under the agribusiness pathway. It is using modern technology to represent and show information on trees in our business. I got started in my SAE because when I was younger, I was always into radio control stuff. And I also wanted to help people. Well, this is a chance or opportunity for me to help people by using the drone and let people better understand what we provide here. Some of the daily activities that I do for my SAE is I use the drone to check for diseases or disorders in the trees, or also if trees have been flushed out, which means to go from minimum leaves to maximum leaves. And if so, I would get a new video of the trees. The people who have helped me with my SAE is my parents in providing me the right information and their opinion on it, and also my ag teacher providing me the customer's view on what they want in a drone video. One activity that I've done in the classroom is in my horticulture class. We study plant disorder and diseases, which helps me better understand when taking the video what to look for. Some advice I would give to a student starting their SAE project is to find something that is super extraordinary and stick with it and don't give up. It feels pretty nice when I'm able to get that shot. A lot of times it's really hard, and when it happens, when a good shot comes, it's just one of the best feelings you can have.